Hiya folks, living the dream, living the dream. Can we all Maud? Sun's in the eyes, sorry folks. Yeah, I'd love to tell you where we are, but we're not really 100% sure. We sort of booked it last minute and we're not 100% sure where we are. It's on the seafront and it is gorgeous. It's about just over half an hour or so from Calais. We'll show you receipts if that shows out. Here we are. I'll let you see on there, that's where we are. Le Ocean Restaurant. So we have a couple of beers and we're right on beach. Look at that, folks. I don't want to see that. But yeah, it's gorgeous, honestly. Bloody lovely. Sun's in my eyes. But yeah, tomorrow's Paris. Tomorrow's Paris, so we're going up Paris tomorrow. We can't go into centre, like as I said, we've not got that cricket sticker, so we'll be on the outskirts, but we'll take you in with us. Anyway, for now, I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.
Bye.
Il s'appelait John, un homme qui dort, comme les battements de ton cœur qui résonnent. Il s'appelait John, un homme qui sonne, comme sa musique sur laquelle tu t'abandonnes. Mother's Nature song.
Morning folks, how are we doing? Well, it was lashing down in the night. Luckily it's not raining while I've been here on foot, but since we was in bed, our room's on the second floor there, or it was there. We're just checking out now. What a gorgeous place this is. Proper gorgeous place. So we're going to mooch down to the front now, walk to take a few pictures, and then we're going to head off into Paris. Now, on the, I'm looking at that now, toll roads, it's about 147 mile toll roads. If we go through streets and that, it's another hour and a quarter on it. So what we're going to do, we'll go get first hour, see how we're getting on. If we're making decent time, we'll carry on without doing tolls. Obviously, like I said, we've got to get in Paris. We're going to the brother-in-law's gig tonight. So we do need to get a move on at some point. Because we was hoping to have a walk around Paris as well first. Because obviously we can't take the bike in because we've not got the cricket sticker. Because we're unprepared, as always. No, it's yeah. We've actually been speaking to a few people. I didn't realise that hardly anybody's got this cricket sticker. It's like a bit of a rebellion against it. Has this one got one in window there? No, no one's got them on. We've been asking round, and nobody seems to have bothered with them. I went to a master about pushing bike out now. So we'll get out and we'll get to the front. So I'll speak to you in a bit, folks.
Il s'appelait John, un homme qui dort, comme les battements de ton cœur qui résonnent. Il s'appelait John, un homme qui sonne, comme sa musique sur laquelle tu t'abandonnes. Mother's Nature song, and we all shine on. Imagine no possession. You want a revolution. Il s'appelait John, et il nous donne des leçons d'amour et de paix comme personne. Mais un matin
Well, folks, what a picturesque little village this is. I just had a camera. Fair's had the GoPro on the selfie stick, so we're not too bad. We have got some footage of that. But there's just like really individual houses everywhere. Was that a bit of a campsite there? Yeah, motorhomes parts up there. Gorgeous little girls. Hardelot. Well, that's how it's written anyway. Hardelot. Hardelot. That's what it's called. So we've got 164 mile to Paris. I think we just got to do toll roads and when they get there and get set up then. Because like I said, we're a bit restricted on what we can do tonight because of obviously getting to the gig and that. Really well kept little village this, really well kept. But even Hardelot has speed bumps. Some of these little turns aren't right. They sort of go up hills in houses, like in proper random places. Seems like a well-to-do place. It's full of golfists. That's what was at breakfast then. All fellas will be playing golf at the. Apparently there's loads of nice courses around here. Don't play golf, never hit a golf ball in my life. Oh. Went to a couple of Irish bars last night. None of them were Irish, but they were both called Irish bars. There was nothing Irish about them whatsoever, except the names. One was called the Something Shamrock. I'll have to have a look at it, but put some pictures up. The Something Shamrock, and one was, what was the other one called? I can't remember. Something like Martha O'Reilly's or something daft. It was the Irish bar. Well, no, it was alright, it was a giggle. We had a laugh. Bloin. Pas de Calais. Route bad. No idea what that meant then, folks. Presume at a certain date you can't go down that road. Hey, this is nice, isn't it? Imagine it being like this all the way to Paris, or you could easily live with that, couldn't you? Nice and steady all the way there. Oh, where are you going, pal? Beautiful. Tell you what, these cross tollers, they carry weight well. Because a few people ask what they're like with. I've got failed back and we've got 3 full panniers and can't feel it, honestly. You wouldn't know they were there. Obviously we've got the jiffy boxes on this. We've not got the Highlander luggage. Whoever had the bike before me has put jiffy rails on and put the boxes on. Which I'm glad about because they're waterproof and as we found out yesterday, waterproof and carry handles and that, so makes life easier. Yeah, folks, come on, I'll show you around. There's Harry parked up. We're about 70 miles away from Paris now. Sorry, having a minute. Faye was naughty last night, shouting at me for no reason.
You're in the bad book.
She's in the proper bad books. She's trying to get rid out of it. Well, folks, just coming into France. Well, France. Just coming into Paris now. I'm not 100% sure this sat nav's taking us the right way. I think it is. It's. I just didn't expect to come off at this junction. Then we're just letting it sort itself out here. Yeah, it's. I expected to carry on up to towards the stadium and that, but maybe not. Maybe not. It knows a damn sight better than I do anyway. Let's have a look here at these signs. Bordeaux Nantes. Have a look. It seems like we've come off the main thing, yet we wanted to be in the main thing. Who knows? Right, so what this says now. Bordeaux Nantes, Paris. Oh, it's still got Paris on sign anyway, so can't be too bad. Well folks, we're not far from there now, 5.1 mile, and it's been gridlocked all the way in. Every time we look anywhere there's been bumps all over the road, and with having these big bloody jivvy panniers on, it's filtering a bit of a breathing job, but most people sort of give you a bit of space like these. Oh, what's this fella here? Well, yeah, we're 4.9 mile away. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. We should have been there now, really. But it's now 25 past 12 French time. And according to what we were thinking, we should have easily been there. But for the last half hour, it's been gridlocked everywhere. Yeah, folks, so we're nearly in there now. No fears about the stickers, it's not do that. It's about 8 over under 2001 or older. You're not allowed in, full stop, between 8 and 8, whether you get a sticker or not. And it is a bit of palaver, like, but we're going to have to sort it. Get one on for next time, because you don't want to be getting collared for sake of €3, and it lasts a year, the length of your ownership of the vehicle that it's attached to, like. It's the vehicle that gets it, not the person, if you know what I mean.
Sean, and like as if he knows what he's doing. The metro in France. Where we going, babe?
So this wasn't for me, we've been knackered. She's laughing at this. We're in the metro at École Militaire. Basically Eiffel Tower. We did have a cricket sign, label for our windscreen. I think we could have easily got away with it, but we didn't have one.
Yeah, but
and there's our train, so we'll see you in a bit, folks.
Why didn't you get him off?
It's not our train, folks, on the wrong side of the track.
Here's our train.
Oh, folks, we have in there. Paris, we made it. We ended up coming on metro here. Look at this. What have we got? We got here. We've got some beer. We've got champagne. We've got crisps. We've got food. We've got strawberries. We've got fare. We've got a big tower in the background. Yeah, it's been great. Obviously, we didn't have that clicker sticker, so we couldn't bring the bike in. We probably could have done, to be honest, now, because the amount of vehicles was in without it, and police are not even looking at stuff like that. We probably could have done. But yeah, so we left the bike at the hotel. The hotel fella said, just walk up the road, metro, on it, and straight to you. Honestly, it couldn't be any easier. It couldn't be any easier, half an hour at Eiffel Tower. It does go around world a bit, but you can get off anywhere and see all the sights. But yeah, have a look round. It's beautiful today, beautiful. Anyway, let's have a bit of picnic.
souffre-douleur où pesaient mes pensées. Venu d'ailleurs et chaque jour qui passe, kilomètre heure, jamais ne lasse. I'm a walker while you're a talker. I'm a dreamer, can get shorter. I'm a walker while you're a talker.
Hiya folks, how are we doing? Right,
Hey, we're under the light.
we're at concert. As we said, brother-in-law's playing here tonight. Vile Assembly, his
Vile
group's on.
Assembly.
Vile Assembly. They're supporting the Damned at a really posh venue. Petty Barn. He's given us some beer tokens and he's got us in on guest list. Have a look around. I don't know if they can hear me. You don't want to see her, do you?
He's getting the light. Yay!
First top keeps coming undone. We're not honestly not being perfect, but it's got like a tiny button. Like a tiny button on top keeps coming undone. The Damned are playing, there's one person serving at bar. It is. It's now 6 deep. Oh no, sorry, there's 2 people, somebody else has joined him. Got a 6, have a look. He's joining him. Anyway folks, well, I was going to sell it. Anyway folks, as soon as band comes on, we'll throw you back on. You're probably wondering why camera's going like that.
You don't have to do
Like
that.
that. Because the microphone's at the side, I've no external mic for this, so we're winging it. We're winging it.
As usual.
We're winging it. They're not there, it's not open this time. Anyway folks, if it comes back on, we'll give you a shout. See you in a bit.
Bye.
From Liverpool.
Visitors and now you. Thank you for that. Oh my god!
Oh my god! You're pissed!
Every night I'm there, she knows I'm there. I'm always there.
Fuck my floor!
I think she goes. I find it hard to realize first is she knows I'm crying.
Why you on floor, babe? I filmed it.
Thanks for
Babe was drunk just.
I never did. That
You was
old
drunk.
man whacked me down.
Every night I'm there, I make my heart to bleed. And the wind.
Well, morning folks. On our way back to the boat. We're miles early, we're just gonna get this toll road out of the way, then we'll probably come off the beaten track a bit then. Top night last night, and I mean top night. What we did forget to do though is forget to charge the intercoms up. So we've not charged since we left home, and Face has just run out now, so she can't mind me anymore. And she won't hear this now until she starts editing it. But yeah, top night. The brother-in-law's band of Isle Assembly were supporting the Damned in Bercy in Paris. And what a stonking place. It was like, he's like in a big barge. It was like moored to the side of the river in a big barge, in the bowels of the barge. It was unbelievable, it was. There is some pictures, like we'll put them up in a bit, and they were great. The Damned played, and they played that Eloise that was on also. To be fair, that was the only one I knew really. But it was a great gig. What they called an intimate gig. The venue only held 400, and apparently it sold out virtually instantly. But it was smart. So Paul Mason, he got us in there, got us on guest list, and he gave us some beer tokens when we were in there. So top man, that's the brother-in-law. And he asked if we can use a bit of his music. Some of it might not go down well on YouTube, but yeah, he said we could use some of his music on our channel if we so wish. So we might as well do that. But yeah, top night. And then coming home from the only trouble with Bercy is it's sort of in the middle of two places, and it's a pain in the ass to get back to the hotel. Wasn't too far away. It was about, I think on the thing Google Maps it was about 2.8 miles, which I know it's not next door, but it's not too bad, is it? So we started walking, and it was lashing down. It's been gorgeous all day. It changed within the space of 2 hours. Been glorious, lashing down anyway. So couldn't get a taxi anywhere. The roads was, this is like 11:30 at night, and it was still heaving. The roads were chocker. So put it in Google Maps and say, oh, we'll have to walk it. We'll carry on. And then I said to Face, geez, it's not that far away. When he turned to the wrong bloody hotel, don't we? There's two called Kyriad in Bercy, and we didn't know. So I've just put Kyriad Hotel in the Google Maps, starts following it, and it's still the wrong one. Luckily the fella who was running it, the fella behind the counter where you check in and all that, he said, oh, you sit down, I'll get you a taxi, I'll get you home. And he got us a Tesla. Bloody Tesla sports car to take us back to our hotel. It was all well. But we all get a chance to stop in Bercy, the Bercy region. Don't knock it back, it's brilliant. It's a stunning place. Katy Perry was playing in the arena right next to it. But yeah, it's a stunning place. And the metro system, first time we'd ever been on it. Can't fault it, honestly. From Bercy, the metro was what? It was a 5-minute walk out of our hotel, just up the street, through a nice little street. And you get on that, and it's you're in Paris, right outside of Eiffel Tower within, what, 25 minutes? Oh, it was great. Great. Anyway, I was just letting you know where we're up to, so we're starting making our way back to the boat now. We'll have a couple of breaks, and then we'll come off the beaten track at some point. So, I'll speak to you in a bit, folks.
How are we doing, folks? We alright? Well, we didn't charge the intercoms up like I told you before, but we just stopped for some eats, and they've got USB chargers. Yeah. Baguette with a fillet of fish on. What about, at the moment, 3 hours too early for the ferry. So we are going to pull off the main road in a bit and go down side roads and take our time. So, yeah, just letting you know where we're up to. You all know what we see, but Harry's out there in car park. I don't know whether you can see that. No. Anyway, for now, we'll check off and scoff our food.
Well, folks, I think it's a bit of luck. We can't really work it out, but as we pulled into the check-in, just they said to us with this mist and all that on your camera, we don't pick it up. You can't see a thing out there. Really misty. They said we're running about an hour late, so they said you have to hang on a bit before we check you in. And then all of a sudden we checked in, and he said, oh, I'll get you on the 4:05 boat, which is like an hour earlier than our boat. So we're not really sure what the crack is at the moment. I know they're getting on quicker than us for some reason, but we got told for stopping this lane. Unless that's good, it's probably going to slot in somewhere down there. I think we get on and do a spin round.
down there.
Yep.
Attach it to the side of the stand, put it tight first.
No problem.